Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Boomy How To. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to restore a deleted folder using the Atomsphere API. Now, one instance of this that you might encounter, one scenario where you might need to restore a deleted folder is if you have a role you want to delete. So here I have a custom role that I created. I want to get rid of it. So when I try to delete it, I can see that it's actually assigned to a folder, my role folder. Okay. So if it's assigned to that folder, we should just be able to delete it, right? We come here or remove the permission and then delete the folder. But role folder doesn't exist because I deleted it. So there's no way to actually remove the permission to delete the folder. So what we're going to have to do is restore the folder. And to do that, we can use the Atomsphere API. There's two calls that we're going to be doing. The first one is going to be a query call to get details about the folder, such as the folder ID, the folder name, and then the folder parent ID. Specifically, the ID and the parent ID is what we need to actually restore it. So we'll be doing that with a query call, and then we'll be doing a create call to restore the folder. I'll have a link to this documentation in the video description so you can follow along there. It's helpful just to copy the example payloads from the create and the query so you don't have to construct them yourself. But let me move over to Postman and I'll show you what we need to do. Okay, so now that we're over in Postman, we're just going to do our query call first. That endpoint will just be the api.boomi.com rest or API rest v1, your account ID, and then slash folder slash query. And then your query is going to look like something like this. You just need the name. So mine was role folder. And it's going to return you this. So this is the folder. We can see that deleted is equal to true. And we can see that it has my Z demo delete role still attached to it. So we're going to have to grab the parent ID specifically. We're going to need the name again, and then we're going to need the ID for the folder itself. So once we have that, we can come over to our other call. This one is the create call, and that's just to your account ID folder. So api.boomi.com, API slash rest slash v1 slash your account ID slash folder. And then the request is going to look something like this. It's the JSON request. So the at type is going to be folder. The name is going to be your folder name. In my case, it's role folder. The ID is going to be the ID of the folder you want to restore. And then the parent ID is going to be the ID of the parent folder where the folder you want to restore lies. Um, if you don't supply the parent ID, it's just going to use uh, the base folder or the root level folder. So if you have one that's tucked away in a couple layers, you're just going to need the parent ID of the immediate parent of the folder for it to find it. But once we run that, it will create the folder again. See, we have the same ID. This is important. The ID here needs to match with the ID you set here, so you know you restored the correct folder, and then the same parent ID. So with that, we restored our folder with this API call. Let's go back into Atomsphere and see what that looks like. Okay, so we're back in the Atomsphere or the platform. Let's refresh our page. We'll do a quick search for that component, and it's back. So now we can come here, go to permissions, still get rid of that Z demo delete permission from here. Then we can save it. Then we can come here. Since we already had it deleted, we can just delete it again. It's gone again. And then we can come here, click our role that we want to delete, click the X, and it's deleted successfully. So that's basically how you restore a deleted folder using the Atmosphere API. And one scenario where you would want to do that. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.